looks like... It looks okay. Would I get it? Probably not. After using embroidery encoder on mine... Okay, so I learned QMK to... Ow. Ouch. Ouch. Sorry, it's splattered. I learned QMK to configure my embroidery knob. Holy moly, that was a pain in the ass. But I figured it out. You know, after using it, I'm not that impressed. So my, this splattered a little. That's why I pulled back, because it was like hot.
Something ain't right here.
Thank you for the follow. Man, I need to like sleep on this. Think carefully which board I want. There are so many group buys this month. Fuji. the backing of the Fuji is like really good. I would consider getting it just for that. Yeah, that's my cat. That's Cosmo. It's my Persian. I have cats and a dog. That's his spot. Because the other two aren't allowed up here because they like bully each other. So they're banned. But I deemed that one Cosmo's spot. Yeah, Ginkgo's really cute. Ginkgo's my Shiba Inu. Oh my god, my back. During that time I was soldering and I just didn't do an entire row. I put everything away and I was like, wait, I didn't do this row. I was so tired that day. That's my excuse. Cosmo's pretty cute. Oh, Bird, was the council kill yesterday? Was it clean? I didn't ask anyone yet, but was it like... You barely killed it, or was it like a clean kill? What did Redux do? Oh my god. So can I get your opinion for those in my guild? Sean won't be here for basically 3 days or like 2 days of raid. Should we just extend and prog Sledge Fist? Or should we attempt to re-clear? We would only extend Sledge Fist this week, this upcoming week, just so because Sean won't be here. And it kinda might be a struggle to re-clear. Oh man. Sorry, that's... Yeah, I guess we'll see.